is Sandeep Balaji Gautamad, and today's date is 11 March 2024, and today's topic name is collection framework in Java. Uh, the Java collection framework, is a set of classes, interfaces and interfaces that provides various data structures and algorithms to store, implement, manipulate and retrieve collections of objects. It includes interfaces like list, set, and map along with their respective implementations such as array list, hash set, and hash map. This frameworks simplifies the process of working with collections, and provides a common API for interacting with them. The Java collection framework is used whenever we need to work with collections of objects in Java. It's commonly used in a wide range of applications, including algorithm implementations. Algorithm implementations. Many algorithms such as sorting or searching can be implemented more efficiently using data structures provided by the collection framework. Then second is iteration and manipulation. Iterating over collections, adding or removing elements, and performing various operations like filtering, mapping or reducing. Then third is interface with APIs. Many Java APIs and libraries use collections as input or output. So understanding and using the collection framework is essential for interacting with these APIs efficiently. And then fourth is data storage and retrieval. It's extensively used for storing and managing collection of objects in memory. Then fifth is algorithm implementations. Many algorithms such as sorting, searching, and traversing are implemented more efficiently using the data structures provided by the collection framework. Uh, for instance, sorting a list of names or searching for a specific elements in a set. Then sixth is iterating and manipulation. Um, it allows for easy iteration over collections, and provides methods for adding, removing, and modifying elements. These facilities operations like filtering, mapping, and reducing collections based on certain criteria. Then seventh is concurrency. The Java collection framework includes synchronized implementations synchronous implementation of various data structures, which are usefully multi-threaded applications where multiple threads may access and modify collections concurrently. So this is all about collection framework in Java. Thank you.